Hi. So, what happened exactly at March 26, 2024 at exactly 1:28 a.m.? So, the Singapore flag container ship or MV Dali lost propulsion and collided with the support pier of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore, Maryland. So, what we can learn about this incident, the ethical part and the unethical part. So, in ethical consideration, the transparency in investigation. Authorities and the NTSB promptly disclosed findings about the ship's electrical failures and the bridge vulnerabilities instead of hiding them. So basically, they didn't disclose the information. They show what is the main problem of the ship on collision. And the unethical part consideration is the negligence in risk assessment. Maryland officials failed to conduct overdue safety evaluation despite knowing federal guidelines existed since 1991.
So the next issue is about the Harold S. Westlock. So who is Harold S. Westlock? A Filipino sailor is currently facing multiple charges connected to one of the largest drug seizures and most high-profile drug trials in Maryland history. So one of these ethical considerations is the right to due process. Despite the severity of charges, Mr. Westlock is being tried in court, ensuring he can present his defense and challenge evidence. Public protection. Law enforcement seizures of drugs potentially prevented large-scale harm to communities. Let's move on to the unethical considerations. Participation in drug trafficking. If proven through involvement in distributing a massive quantity of cocaine directly contributes to addiction, crime, and societal harm. Possible organized crime facilitation. Being part of assisting a criminal organization undermines law and public safety. Thank you.
This issue is Evergreen Containers issue. Evergreen Corporation, one of the world's largest container shipping companies, has recently faced multiple incidents involving the loss of shipping containers at sea. Most notably in August 2025, 8 vessels Ever Lunar lost 50 containers off the coast of Callao, Peru. Just days after, another Evergreen ship, the Everfit, suffered a container stock collapse. While no crew injuries or environmental hazard were reported, these repeated events have drawn scrutiny over company safety practices, maintenance protocol, and preparedness for extreme weather. The situation raised both ethical and unethical consideration regarding the maritime operation, corporate responsibility, and global supply chain safety. Ethical consideration, promptly safety action. Authorities and Evergreen quickly closed the port of Callao, secured the site, and dispatched recovery teams, minimizing risk to people and the environment. Unethical consideration, recurring incident point to systematic issue. Ever Lunar mishap came just days after another Evergreen vessel accident, suggesting deeper operation problems. That's all. Thank you for listening.